Thanks for joining me today. My name is Rachel Cohn and I'll be your realtor. I'm going to show you around this really magnificent 5.5 acre parcel of land. And I wanted to start out at one of the coolest features here, and that is you have about 700 feet of water frontage on Hanscom Brook, and your camp, I can almost touch it from where I'm standing. You can fish here, there's a little swimming area, or you can just sit up by your camp and enjoy the sound of the brook. So when you come out of your front door of the cabin, you'll come to this, it's really easy to get to the water. Basically, we've got these nice rocks that have been set up as steps, so it's quite accessible. There's this fantastic rock that if you just cleaned it off would be a great little place to meditate or just sit and enjoy the sound of the brook. We are at Map 1, Lot 1 on Hanscom Road in Weld. This property is actually on the Weld-Carthage town line, but all of the land is on the Weld side. Like I said, it's Map 1, Lot 1. We have about 5.5 acres being conveyed. It will be surveyed prior to closing. There's a small one-room camp that was built in 1998, and it's about 320 square feet inside there with a couple of bunk beds, a nice little propane stove. There is a gravity-fed dug well, so you have water in the camp. Like I said, a couple bunk beds, a sitting area, and then there is also a small heater that also runs on oil. The cabin has been wired, so it does have a generator hookup, so you can have full service electricity here. And we're also going to check out some of the fields. We've got some nice south facing slopes, so you get some ideal views, and also a great spot to put in solar. There's a nice balance of woods and fields. It's about a half and half split, about 2 to 3 acres that are cleared fields and about 2 to 3 acres that are wooded. We do have 700 feet on the Hanscom Brook, approximately. Nice gently sloping lot. Some of the surrounding attractions include Mount Blue State Park, Webb Lake, Doomer Beach, and Kewanee Inn. We're also not too far away from Wilson Lake. And if you are into skiing, Rangeley Lake is not that far away, so you're close proximity to Saddleback Mountain. I want to say it's about 45 minutes from here. We have an off-grid camp. It has possibilities to be year-round access. I'm going to show you exactly where the road is plowed to. And so if you wanted to get up here in the winter, any time of year, really, you just want to make sure that you have a four-wheel drive truck. We're looking at less than $55 for the 2023 tax bill for this property, so super affordable taxes. The list price is $140,000. This is approximately a 5.5 acre lot with about roughly 700 feet on the Hanscom Brook, so you're right on the water, and tons of recreational opportunities here. So we're on the upper part of the lot at Map 1, Lot 1 on Hanscom Drive in Weld. And as you can see behind me, some fantastic views. We have this really nice cleared lot that gently slopes down. It would be a great spot if you wanted to build, maybe put a walkout basement. You could definitely optimize some views, or you could just keep it a nice little quaint camp like it currently is. So we're standing at the bottom of the lot here, looking up from where we were just standing, where the camp and the cabin are located. There is about 500 feet of road frontage up here. This is all private, so if you wanted to make it year-round, my understanding is it's plowed up to the base of your driveway, and then you would plow the rest of the way up however far in you wanted to get into your lot. But the other thing that's pretty cool here is we're actually standing on the town line for Weld and Carthage. Like I said, all the land is on the Weld side, but you do technically cross into Carthage to get here. So some other cool features about this piece of property are the rock walls surrounding the open fields all the way around. And then you have this large rock with some small little trees and bushes around it. Just some neat little features that make the lot a little bit different and unique. Be sure you hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell so you find out as soon as our listings go live. You'll see our videos first, and you can give us a call for a showing. If you'd like to set up a showing to see this particular lot, please give me a call. My number is 578-4273. I'd be happy to show you around. And just a quick recap, property taxes for 2023 here were $55. The list price is $140,000. So my favorite thing about this property is the peace and quiet. There's no sound here other than the sounds of nature and, of course, the babbling brook next to your camp that you'll wake up to every morning. On top of that, there's a lot of wildlife up here. Multiple times I've been up here, I've seen turkeys with their babies. There's evidence of deer, and I'm sure that there's plenty of other wildlife in the area as well. Thanks for joining me today.